Get ready for an adventure like no other. Welcome to Unseen Wonders and Lesser Legends. We are your passport to the extraordinary. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems and unheard tales of the world's most iconic places. Our team of intrepid explorers will take you off the beaten path. We'll introduce you to the passionate local gems that make each destination come alive. From quaint cobblestone streets to breathtaking landscapes, we've got it all. Discover the extraordinary tales behind the ordinary places. We promise you won't see these wonders in your typical guidebook. So subscribe now to Unseen Wonders and Lesser Legends. Your next adventure awaits. Prepare to be amazed. Unearth the unexplored. Join us on a journey of a lifetime. Subscribe now to Unseen Wonders and Lesser Legends. Your world is about to become extraordinary.